Okay guys, in the first part of the video I told you how to long. Now in the second part of the video let us analyze how to short. So for the shorting I have forgot to mention, open the trend to indicator, and you can uncheck this alien long and joker short. Okay, because trend 2 will give you many signals, so you can avoid it. Okay, so as I said, you should long whenever the price is above the mother trend. So if you are a risk taker, you can long when the price is above the shark trend. When I say price is above the shark trend, it means you should not long here. Okay, it should not be far away from the shark trend. It should be close to the shark trend. See, the price is close to the shark trend and it gave a blue triangle. Here you should long. You should not long here. Once you see, for example, once you see the price is above the mother trend and the price is near the mother trend and the price is near the shark trend, so you should not come here and say, now you're longing. Suppose if you're longing here, see what will happen. The price will the price will take a retracement or some kind of correction. Okay, if you want to catch that early trend, you should always long it whenever the price is near this trend. Okay, so if you are entering here, suppose if you are entering here, see the train is already started. The train started from Delhi. It's always been 3 hours now. Now you are coming and entering the train. The train will stop somewhere. The train stopping is some kind of a retracement. Now you start crying that, oh, why this particular trend is showing upwards, now it is going downwards. So again you start selling. Now once you sell, the price will get retraced from the this particular levels. Again you will start regretting. Again the price went up. So like this, the new traders, they'll start losing the money. So the first thing you should have in trading is patience. Okay, so don't enter when the train has already left. Enter when the train is leaving. Where is the trains are leaving? The train is leaving whenever the price is near the, whenever you get the buy button or a buy triangle near the uh, either the shark trend or is the mother trend. Okay, so now let us discuss how to long, sorry, how to short. Shorting is exactly opposite to the longing. So rule number one, what is happening here? The price is above the so the price is below the mother trend. Very good. Price is below the mother trend means bears are in power. Price is below the shark trend. Very, very good. That means it will sure short, it will go down. Price is below the sniper trend. That means it is sure short, 100% pakka, it will go down only. So what you should do, the moment you see the red triangle, and the red triangle came close to this shark line, that means it is going to go down. People, the new traders will come here and say, you know what, I will go and long here because price already dipped and I will get some kind of an extra edge over the market. Let us come and long it. So what they will do now, they will enter here. Okay, as if some kind of a support and resistance, all those theories they will apply. They'll Support and resistance theory is very good, but you should apply it in a proper manner. Okay, so they will enter here. Okay, the moment, because this is against the trend. Okay, the moment they enter, they will not know what is going to happen in the market. It will come down. So if you are having this particular tool, you know where the market is heading, what is the direction of the market. So these people will come and say, they will start longing it. The moment they long it, people will short here. The big bulls are shorting. You see, you are not a Robin Hood here. Okay, guy. You cannot come and go against the thousands and thousands of big bulls who are trading against, they are betting on short. You alone with some few bucks money, you come and say that, okay, I will change the market direction. How it will not change the market direction, guys? Never trade against the trend. Go with the flow. If the train is going, enter the train as early as possible. You should not become, you should never go against the trend. Now here again you got a red triangle. The red triangle is near the sniper trend. If the red triangle is near the sniper trend, that means the market is pushing very hard, it's going very down. Okay, you should be blind here. You should just short it. Just short. Look at this, guys. So this how the market, institution will buy. They'll start buying on every dip. They will wait. Again they will start buying because they know it will again come up. Okay, market, see, whenever institutions buys, they don't buy bulk at for example at 20,000. They will bulk, they will buy some at 20,000, they will buy some at 19,500, they will buy some at 19,000. See, for every step they will start buying, and then they will start the price will start rallying. Okay, so here comes, see, it gave a downtrend direction here only. So if you have this tool, you will know. All others will tell, no, I think it will go up. All the market pundits in the TV, they will tell, oh no, no, it will go up. No, but since you are using this particular tool, you know what's going to happen, because it gave a red triangle, and it is near the mother trend and the shark trend, and it never broke this particular trend. It never broke the mother trend. Mother trend is like a Great Wall of China, or it can say mother trend is like a Rahul Dravid. It will it is difficult to get him out. You cannot simply cross mother trend so easily. If you cross the mother trend up, that means you are very strong, the market is very strong, and it is very good, the bulls are in control. If the market, if the price is less than the mother trend, that means the bears are in control. So it is difficult to break above and difficult to break below. If it breaks below, that means market's direction is in downside or upside. It is like a direction of a wind. Where is the direction of wind here? You should not become a Robin Hood. You are not a Dabang here. Okay. You should enter. You should see the red triangle and see what is happening. The market is going down. So you should simply blindly short it. That's it. Don't complicate things. Okay. Don't complicate things. Whenever you get a shorting opportunity, again, see, the price is down. It it is not above the shark trend or not above the mother trend. That means it's a sure shot bear trend, man. How can you start longing here? You should always short it here. Don't worry about this 200 EML line. See, it gave you minus 4% if you short it. Okay, just follow these triangles. Nothing else, guys. Just follow this triangle. You know what you should do? You should go and purchase this indicator. I have given the description of this particular indicator down below. You go and purchase the indicator and add it to your chart and see the magic. You should just follow its command. Okay, don't overcomplicate things. You should the moment you get indicator, you apply it in your whichever stock you're working on. Change the regression value some little bit. If you find that the red triangle and blue triangles are appearing in a proper way, once you get that, then automate. After that, don't change, don't keep on changing things. Okay, stick to one plan, stick to one tool. Okay, if you start adding too many things, you will never become profitable. Okay, see, we had people, customers buying our yesterday only we released a particular trend trader indicator, and see how we are getting too many requests for premium membership. See, you will also get two different kind of you know uh, advantage when you join the premium membership or a 1 year membership. Okay, so see, guys, it already predicted the drop coming, and what happened? Drop came. Okay, and see, within 30 minutes, some guy has booked 2,500 rupees profit. Yes, just yesterday we have released this indicator. Okay, so what you should do is you should follow the order. Okay, you should follow how what particular this particular indicator is telling to you. Okay, so you should always buy. Remember, guys, you should buy only when the green red when the triangle appears near to this particular any three lines, and you should short it whenever the triangle is appearing near the any three lines. Okay, don't suppose, for example, when I tell short, there are people who are confused again. So it gave a blue triangle here, but you should not enter you should not enter here. Okay, you should not enter in this region. It gave here, man. It's already, train is already left. Wait for another opportunity. Wait, again it will come. Again you found a blue triangle here. You can enter here. Okay, wait. This indicator will give you a lot of opportunity to long and a lot of opportunity to short. So don't be in hurry. Trading is not about hurrying. Trading is all about hunting. You should hunt like a tiger. Wait for the prey. Where is the prey? This is the prey. Blue triangle and red triangles are the prey. Once you get the prey, catch it. Okay. So So how to set alerts? Okay, go and add alert. Okay, there are three different. For Jarvis, you go Jarvis long or Jarvis short. Okay, select once per bar close. Okay, how long you want this particular alert, select. Okay, notify on app. Okay, all that thing you should do. Okay, send email, webhook URL, webhook URL, guys. That algo trading and all robot trading, it will simply make you lose money. All those things, we are not this what anywhere in the world, the world in the trading world, it is not so advanced that it is relying upon the robots. The robots will start making -1%, +3%, -5%, -2%, +4%, like that and all. So don't get adventurous. Start manual. Manual trading is the best. You do your self analysis, get this particular trend trading tool. You will get the actual direction of the market. Whether you are a pro trader, whether you are a new trader, get this particular tool. It will give you the direction of the market. It will You will be ahead of the other people. You will be ahead of the pro traders who are not using this particular trend. Okay, no, this particular tool. So okay, so this will tell you, hey there, time to buy this. You will get a message on your mobile, you should buy. Go to institution, price short, whales institutional activity. Okay, oh my god, institution buy detected, price might spike. You will get this notification on your mobile. The moment you see it, you should go and check your mobile and see to your positions. Okay, the moment you see the price short, check your mobile, careful, price may come down, price might go down. Okay, you should immediately check your mobile, see your positions, and put stop loss. Next is alien trend, alien long and alien short. Alien long and alien short are the background color. Okay, so the background, if the background color is green and you got a red blue triangle, that means sure shot, it's a bull. 100% the price will go up. And if the background is in or in pink color and you got a red triangle pointing down, that means sure shot, it's a bear trend. No second thoughts at all. Okay, you should just follow it. Okay, so there are so many people told me that there are too many signals. The market will give you signals at every retracement. Guys, see, look at this. Price rallied again, it retracement here. If you miss, you will get here. So it will start giving you opportunity to when to enter. Suppose here, if you missed and the market is rallying up and you see, okay, I missed the bus, I missed the train, when I can enter. So I cannot put this particular red blue triangle buy signal here and a sell signal here. That means you have lost all these entry points. So I want you guys to have at least some kind of a profit. That's why I have put entry points for every retracement. For every kind of a retracement, you will get an entry point here. So that is why don't bother about this red triangle and the too many red triangles and too many blue triangles. Those who have missed one blue triangle or one red triangle, they can enter and they can short or long it on another triangle. So don't think that okay, the bus has gone. Wait for your market, wait for the red triangle and the blue triangle to appear. Once you get this kind of a blue triangle or red triangle, then you should enter. Okay, when you purchase this particular indicator, you will get an instruction manual, clear cut instruction manual. Use the settings as it is, don't change anything. Okay, if you start changing anything, no, we have optimized, we have coded based on the different kind of market activity. The moment you start changing those code, it will start hurting the rhythm of this particular indicator. Okay, so this can be used in any time frame. Okay, on any market. There is nothing, there is no restriction. Okay, look at this, let us see what is happening with the BTC. Okay, okay, see, got a buy signal here. See, institutional buy detected. After that, what happened? So look at this price rally, man. Look at this price rally. Now look at the sniper trend. It gave a buy signal and at 9525, the price rallied to 9707. There is a shark here sitting here and it will start eating it. So again, the price will come down. So it should break the shark. Once it breaks the shark, again it's a bullish movement. Okay, don't worry. Here, look at this. It gave a red sell signal here only. But after that, what happened? The trade pundits will tell, no, no, it will go long. No, no, it will go long. What happened long? Look at your face. It went short. If you had followed this, you would have made 20x. You would have made 160% profit. So, guys, okay, go to my subscribe to this Telegram channel, AI Profit Trend. Okay, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe it. There's a link of Telegram channel. you should join the Telegram channel and get access to this indicator. I will give the description and the pricing of all this indicator at a very reasonable price, guys. This is a market changer indicator and I am giving it for very less price. Please grab it before the offer ends. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe.